Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my EverHost AI review. We're going to be taking a close look at the EverHost AI, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with EverHost AI, which goes live on the 15th of June by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So, in a nutshell, this is a hosting platform that allows you to host your own website, and of course this comes with a ton of benefits like SSL that basically allows you to secure your website so you can basically do anything, because people would be able to easily enter their information, also be able to relate with you based on the fact that your website is secure. Now it also comes with basically any other feature you are going to have on a premium hosting, but the benefit here is you don't have to pay monthly fees, which is awesome. Imagine paying just once, a one-time fee, and basically have lifetime hosting, which is pretty cool, which is amazing, and that's actually the main reason why I would recommend you pick up EverHost AI. Now, to make this even better for you, also I'm assuming that most people that might want to take advantage of this kind of offer are not really experienced website designers, or you're not really experienced with having to undo your own website. So I've actually put together some high quality bonuses for you to give you the best results with EverHost AI. You're going to find the link to my bonus page right down in the description. Also, you are going to find my custom bonuses. You're going to be getting 10,000 plus responsive themes that you can actually use, not just for WordPress. For HTML website, you're going to be getting access to Shopify themes or Joomla templates. So whatever kind of website you want to create, you're going to find some high quality theme here that you can actually use to basically give your website the best feel, the best look, and give you the best conversions that you can possibly get out there. Also, bonus number 2, you're going to be getting 5,000 plus social media templates that you can easily customize with either Photoshop, or you can customize with free Canva. You get access to all these professionally designed templates that you can easily just customize and then create exactly your own content using the templates. You are going to be getting access to training. Now, if you are wondering, you do not have any experience with website hosting, all those kind of stuff, now you are going to be getting access to my own guide. As someone with over 20 years experience with web designing, you are going to be able to go through this, and it's going to show you how to create your own website without writing a line of code. You want to create a shopping website, a website you can sell on, whatever kind of website you want to create with WordPress. This shows you exactly how you can go about it. You're also going to be getting access to a ton of cloud-based software. You are getting access to the traffic pool software that also gives you access to free traffic. You're also going to be getting access to my email list of 1,000 plus subscribers, and then you're going to be getting your own emailing software that of course you can put on your hosting to manage your list, send out emails to your subscribers as well. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to custom affiliate marketing templates, quiz pages. You're also going to be getting access to white label products that you can basically launch as your own, without having to write code, without having to go through, the pain of trying to create products by yourself. Also, you're going to be getting training on how you can easily make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. You're also going to be getting access to white label rights, meaning you can also give this away, sell this as your own. Also, bonus number 9, you're getting access to a cloud-based software that gives you access to done for you ebooks, and also ebooks funnels that allows you to add your affiliate links and basically drive traffic for conversions. Also, bonus number 10, you're going to be getting access to a training that shows you how to do email marketing right from inside the WordPress website, so you don't have to pay monthly fees to use an email sending software like Aweber, like GetResponse and the likes. So to claim all these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. It's going to take you to the sales page of EverHost AI, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about this product as well. So it says stop paying hundreds of dollars every month to slow and difficult to use hosting services that lack critical security protection. Introducing the brand new AMD EPYC CPU technology based hosting platform. To host unlimited website and domains on ultra fast and secure servers at an unbeatable low one-time price. So feel free to come check out the sales page in your own time to get more information about this hosting solution. So I'm going to let you see exactly how this works right now. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.